Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to solve November 2018 University question paper under the subject Commodity and Derivative Market, also known as CDM. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS Sem5 student. In this video, we are going to take up all the practical sum that had appeared in 2018 November question paper. So let us see what are the various sums that were asked and how to solve them in the most easiest manner. Okay, sure. We'll start one by one. The very first question was question 3C. The spot price of gold is rupees 31,000. The locker rent is 500 and the insurance charges are 750. The interest rate is 14% per annum compounded on monthly basis. What will be the fair value of future after after 3 months? Okay. So now first we note down the data. Spot price 31,000 of gold. Locker rent was 500 and interest is 750. Okay, the rate is 14%, so which is 0.14. The number of months for 3 months. They ask us to find the fair value. So we apply the formula. Fair value is equal to spot price into 1 plus R upon 12 ratio power of n, since it was compound interest. So spot mein 31,000 plus 500 plus 750. 1 plus R is 0.14 divided by 12 raised to the power of n, which is 3. So now how you need to solve this? 0.14 divided by 12 plus 1. Whatever answer you get the cube of that. That comes to 1.0354. 31 plus 500 plus 750 is 32,250. Last step, 32,250 into 1.0354. We get the value as 33391.65. Therefore, the fair value is equal to rupees 33,391.65. Okay, so I hope everyone got this sum. You can go through it once and then we'll jump to the next sum. Okay, now next question was Naman shorts a call. So now this is a sum based on call options seller's payoff. You're selling it off. Okay, of VST Limited at an exercise price of 1020, premium of 50. Okay, spot prices are given 970, 980, 990, 1000, 1010, 1020, 1030, 1040 and 1050. And draw the payoff diagram they have asked. Okay, so first the table. Remember, this table is very important. First, the exercise price, so it was 1020 in all the cases. Spots are all given to us, so we first note down the spot. 970, 980, 990, 1010, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 1020 is our exercise price in all the case. Now remember, this is call option ka seller's payoff. So call option ka seller payoff ka rule is, if the price, if your spot price goes more than your exercise price, you will have a negative value. So negative 10, negative 20, negative 30, since it's going beyond. And before that, all the values, the intrinsic value will be 0. Okay, so basically what happens here is, when you're selling a call, in future the price has to come lower. If it goes higher, then you will be in loss. Okay, then if it comes lower, the intrinsic value will be 0, but whatever the premium that you will get will be your profit. Okay, so now premium, you're getting a premium of 50. So whenever you sell, it will be a positive premium. You're going to receive 50 rupees. So 50 in all the cases. So last it is, you need to subtract it. So it will be 50 minus 0, it is 50, 50 minus 0, 50, 50, 50. So if the price goes below, you are guaranteed return of the premium that you will be receiving. Okay, in the last cases, since there were losses, so it will be 50 minus 10, so 40, 50 minus 20, 30, 50 minus 30 is 20. Okay, so this was the table based on call option seller's payoff. Remember, call option ka buyer's payoff goes differently and seller's payoff goes differently. Okay, after that you just have to do the plotting. So first we plot the IV, so it will be 0 from 970 2020, it is all 0, and then after there is negative 10, negative 20 and negative 30. Profits mein it was 50 up to 1020, and thereafter there was a diminution value 40, 30 and 20. Okay, so this is how you'll have to draw the seller's payoff with the diagram. You can go through it once. Okay, the next sum, question 4C. The spot price of copper is 4,600 per kg and the store room rent is 6,000 paid semi-annually. The interest rate on the borrowed fund is 12% compound interest on monthly basis. What will be the fair value of future after 3 months? Look here, now this is paid semi-annually. Half year ka 6,000 we only need for 3 months. Okay, so that will become 3,000. Rest all will be normal. So spot price is 4,600. Rent is 6,000. We need only semi-annually, so it will be only 3,000. I mean, this is semi and we need only for 3 months. So it will be half of that, which is 3,000. Compound interest is 12%, so 0.12. Number of months is 3. We need to make it on compound interest basis. Formula is spot price into 1 plus r upon 12 into the raised to the power of n. So 4,600 plus 3,000 into 1 plus r 0.12 upon 12 raised to the power of 3. First solve this part. So it will be 0.12 upon 12 plus 1 raised to the power of 3. So it will become 1.030301 into 7,600. So we get a final answer of 7,830.69. Okay, so go through it once, and then after this we only have one sum pending in this question paper. Okay, one last sum. An investor takes position in future market through the following transaction. Number 1, he buys 6 contract of Tata Steel at rupees 3125 with a lot size of 200, which expires at the final settlement of 3150. And second, he sells something in the same order. Determine the net profit or loss and draw the payoff diagram. So there are two parts, so we are solving the first part first. Okay, you're buying. So your contract price is based on buying 3125. And on settlement, so basically you'll have to sell at 3150. Profit and loss is selling minus buying, 3150 minus 3125. So there's a profit of 25. Total profit is equal to 25 into 6 contracts into the lot size of 200, which comes to rupees 30,000. Same thing, we need to show it on the payoff diagram. So always note down 3125, 3150 the rates. On the settlement was 3150. There was a profit from the contract. Make a diagram up to that point. Okay, so this was the first part, question number 4A ka D part. Go through it once. Okay, last. Now you're selling 7 contracts of Canara Bank at rupees 675 with a lot size of 100, which expires at 665. So now you're selling. So my contract price is based on selling price. So in future on settlement I'll have to buy at 665. Profit is selling minus buying. 675 minus 665 is again profit of 10 rupees. Total profit is 10 into 7 contracts into lot size of 100. So 10 into 7 into 100, which comes to 7,000. So the total profit is rupees 7,000. Diagram, okay, 665, 675. Settlement paid was 665, and so we mark 665 pay profit, and we draw the the curve from the contract price till that point. Okay, so this is how you all have to solve the sum based on selling part. Chalo, go through it once. Okay, I hope everyone have understood all the sums based on this particular question paper. Chalo, with that we will be ending this video here. Thank you.